feet. Tabasco. Tabasco feet. Time up. Okay. Folks, don't work with family, okay? It doesn't work.
I'm not fighting that.
I got spurs that jingle, 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 as I go right merrily along. And they say, oh, ain't you glad you're single? Hey, Tabasco, can you wrap it up? It's a very, I am wrapping them up. Wait, you think you're real funny, don't you? What do you mean? Time up! What do you think I'm doing? Let's do it! Bam! Get over here. Oh, hi. All right, I'm gonna go that way. Oh.
Hey there, Marshall.
Hi there,
Marshall? Yeah, Marshall. Marshall.
Hey there, Marshall.
Hey, Marshall. Do you want to give us a hand here real quick,
Yeah.
Jack?
You want to let me know what's going on?
Yeah, so the Hot Sauce Bandits came along and tied us up, and now they're running around in the fort.
It's a complete lack of respect.
Hot Sauce Bandits.
Hot Sauce Bandits, yeah.
Yeah.
I know, that's the fourth time today.
Get a little out of the bandits.
Yeah, you guys are pretty cool. Do you think you give us a hand here?
Yeah, how about two of us go around back and try to wrangle up those bandits?
Perfect.
You two stay out here and see if you can do something useful.
Perfect, sounds good. Look, your pretzel feet are on the rock, by the way,
Oh,
so.
thank you, sure.
Yes, no problem. All right. Thanks, Marshals. We'll be real useful. Look what you got us into now.
What did I do?
What do you mean? What did you get holding that the goal with that fork? I mean,
Basco! Texas Pete!
Basco!
What?
You found that gold already?
No, I can't see. My glasses are a year out of date.
I told you to get that fixed.
We don't have insurance.
Oh, yeah?
I did find something.
What'd you find?
Left or right hand?
Right hand.
Confetti!
Left hand.
Or
Let's go get him.
where'd you go? That's just behind
Get back in there. Get back here. Montana Hannah. Who's this one? Hey, get back here, you. Let me see. Yeah. Deputy, you know who that is? Cole. Yeah, it's Cole Cassidy. Alright. Well, Deputy, what should we do with these two outlaws, huh?
Sheriff,
Yeah?
I don't know how many times I have to come up with the idea of just putting them in jail.
Yeah, that's a pretty good idea. That's
Round of applause for the Tweetsie Cowboys and Cowgirls. Casey Jones, let's get this train on. Back to town.
That was a close one. Well, let's head on back to town. I'll tell you a little bit more about the train.
How are you
As you
doing?
missed it earlier, our train is being pulled by a genuine code 568.
Oh, really? I appreciate that. I really do.
Locomotive works in Philadelphia. Route 12, the original train. Ain't taking a show at the Palace Saloon, Pavilion State, or visit one of our many stores and get a souvenir to take home. There's a lot to see and do in Tweetsie. Ride the rides at the Denver Fair, get up to Miner's Mill, and the Gold for other precious gems. Visit the Deer Park Center. There's more rides and shows up there for little ones of all ages. Then if you want, come on back and ride the train. Things are always changing out here in the Old West. Then exit out the room with the train cars. Check and make sure you got all your valuables, especially the little ones. Get all some roadways, break and directions to wherever you want. Don't forget you can upgrade your ticket to a season pass just by visiting our ticket office. Thanks for riding with us. Y'all come back and ride with us again real soon. Bye-bye now.
Welcome back to town, folks. Once again, please remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop. And the train cars have finished rolling backwards.